Okay, we're at 3120 Kern Street in Oxnard. We're going to start pulling back. At this point, we're at the city connection. You see the water running down there is from the main city. And this is the tie-in that goes into the house. So we're going to start running the camera towards inside the house. The type of material that we have here is a clay pipe, 4-inch clay pipe. Small offset right there. Mine looks good. No issues, no roots, no broken sections. At this point here, we have a transition from clay to cast iron. You can see the cast iron's a little bit in more rough condition because it's a metal. A little bit of holding water, not too much. Now we're going up towards the vent where we're running the camera from. That's the garage in front of the house.